Good morning, everyone. Today we have gathered here to celebrate the 15th of August, our Independence Day with pride and joy. On this day, 1947, India became free from British rule. After years of struggles and sacrifice, it is day to remember our brave freedom fighters. Leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, and many others fought fearlessly for our freedom. We are forever thankful to them. Independence means we can live with dignity and make our own decisions and shape our future. It is gift earned through great pain and courage. Our national flag is a symbol of unity, diversity, and freedom. Let us always respect and honor it. India has came into a long way in science, educational, sports, and technology. Since Independence Day, we should proud of our achievement. But with freedoms comes a responsibility. It is our duty to be good and citizens and contribute to our country's growth. Let us stay united, respect each other, and work together to build a better India. Unity in diversity is our strength. As students, we should study well, be kind, and follow good values that show we can serve our nation. Let's take a moment to thank our soldiers and leaders who protect our freedom every day. Jai Hind, Happy Independence Day. Thank you.
तेरी शान पे सदके कोई धन है क्या, तेरी धूल से बढ़ के, तेरी धूप से रोशन, तेरी हवा पे जिंदा, तू बाग है मेरा, मैं तेरा परिंदा। चल तेरा रहे माँ रंग बिरंगा, ऊंचा आसमां से वो तेरा तिरंगा, जीने की इजाजत दे दे या हुक्म शहादत दे दे, मंजूर हमें जो भी तू चुने। रेशम का हो मधुशाला या कफन सिपाही वाला, ओढ़ेंगे हम जो भी तू बुने। ओ देश मेरे तेरी शान पे सदके कोई धन है क्या, तेरी धूल से बढ़ के, तेरी धूप से रोशन, तेरी हवा पे जिंदा, तू बाग है मेरा, मैं तेरा परिंदा। अब जाके कहीं हमने सर पे ये केसरी रंग सजाया है मेरी ज़मीं
अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए 100 दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा, चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे ना रहे।
मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका ना पड़े कभी रंग तेरा, जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा, गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
सरसों से भरे खलियान मेरे, जहाँ झूम के भंगड़ा पा न सका, आबाद रहे वो गांव मेरा, जहाँ लौट के वापस जा न सका।
ओ वतना में मेरे वतना में तेरा मेरा प्यार निराला था, कुर्बान हुआ तेरी असमत पे मैं कितना नसीबों वाला था। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा, गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
ओ हीर मेरी तू हंसती रहे, तेरी आंख घड़ी भर नम ना हो, मैं मरता था जिस मुखड़े पे, कभी उसका उजाला कम ना हो।
ओ माई मेरी क्या फिक्र तुझे, क्यों आंख से दरिया बहता है, तू कहती थी तेरा चांद हूँ मैं, और चांद हमेशा रहता है। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा, गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरी फसलों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। हमने कहा है कहो, हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो।
आओ हम मिलजुल के बोले अब तो यारा, अपना जहां है सबसे प्यारा। आओ हम मिलजुल के बोले अब तो यारा, अपना जहां है सबसे प्यारा।
हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो।
Did you had your breakfast? I can't hear your voice. Good morning, all of you. First of all, happy 79th year of independence to all of you. Honorable Chairman Sir, all the management members, Principal Madam, all the guests, teachers, and all my dear students. Hearty welcome to one and all. So why we all have gathered here today? Why we have gathered here? Yes, to celebrate our Independence Day. Okay, so Independence Day is every year celebrated on 15th August, and we got independence on 15th August 1947. Okay, so highlighting on today's event, we will be having Puja first as the inaugural session, followed by the Vande Mataram and National Anthem. Then we will have various speeches as well as songs and even dances there. So I request Principal Madam and the management members to kindly start the program by doing the Puja.
जैसा कोई नहीं है, 80 नहीं 100 दिन दुनिया घुमा है, नहीं कहे तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं। मैं गाया जहां भी बस तेरी याद थी, जो मेरे साथ थी, मुझको तड़पा दिलाती, सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत, प्यार है बस तेरा प्यार ही। Attention. Standees, attention. Standees, attention.
Wande Mataram.
शुक्लज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी पुल्लकुसुमिता ध्रुवदलशोभिनी सुहासिनी सुमधुरभाषिणी सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरम्
I request all the students to get ready for the national anthem. Salute.
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
माता की वंदे 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 वीर भगत सिंह की वीर भगत सिंह की चंद्रशेखर आजाद की चंद्रशेखर आजाद की महात्मा गांधी की महात्मा गांधी की जवाहरलाल नेहरू की जवाहरलाल नेहरू की नेता सुभाष चंद्र बोस की सुभाष चंद्र बोस की Okay, thank you all of you. So let's start today's program. And what will be more better with a wonderful song. So I request our beloved Vinu sir to come forward and present a song in front of us. Everyone please give a big round of applause.
తల్లి భారతి వందనము నీళ్ళే మానందనము తల్లి భారతి వందనము నీళ్ళే మానందనము మేమంద నీ పిల్లలము మేమంద నీ పిల్లలము నీ చల్లని వడిలో నల్లలము తల్లి భారతి వందనము నీ చదువులు బాగా చదివేదమమ్మ జాతి గౌరవం పెంచదమమ్మ చదువులు బాగా చదివేదమమ్మ జాతి గౌరవం పెంచదమమ్మ తల్లిదండ్రులను గురువులను ఎల్లవేళలా కొలిచేదమమ్మ తల్లి భారతి వందనము నీలే మానందనము తల్లి భారతి వందనము నీలే మానందనము
Track uploaded by D. Zambi Reddy.
కులమత భేదం మరిచేదము కలతలు మారి మెలగదము కులమత భేదం మరిచేదము కలతలు మారి మెలగదము మానవులంద సమానమందు మమతలు సమతను పెంచదము తల్లి భారతి వందనము నీలే మానందనము తల్లి భారతి వందనము నీలే మానందనము తెలుగు జాతికి అభ్యుదయం నవభారతికి నవోదయం తెలుగు జాతికి అభ్యుదయం నవభారతికి నవోదయం భావి పౌరులం మనం భావి పౌరులం మనం భారత జనతకి జయం జయం తల్లి భారతి వందనము నీలే మానందనము తల్లి భారతి వందనము నీలే మానందనము మేమంద నీ పిల్లలము నీ చల్లలి వడిలో పిల్లలము తల్లి భారతి వందనము నీలే మానందనము తల్లి భారతి వందనము నీలే మానందనము
Thank you, sir, for your wonderful song. Now I request Principal Madam to come forward and enlighten us with her wonderful words. Madam.
Good morning, everyone. Wishing you all a happiest 79 Independence Day. You know that why we gathered here? You know, we are celebrating the Independence Day here. Every year, 15th August, we are celebrating the Independence Day. And why do we celebrate Independence Day? Because of we got freedom from British on this day only. On this day we got independence or freedom from British on 15th August 1947. And we know we have lot of responsibilities. This freedom didn't come without efforts. It's a gift, but with a lot of responsibilities we got freedom from British people. Our freedom fighters, even they lost their lives, they sacrificed their lives for freedom. And we, all the people, are responsible for protecting our country. As a child, as a children, as a student, you are also responsible for respecting elders and protecting our environment and our country also. Let us proud to be an Indian, and also every day we do work for make it our country a better. Then we all of the peoples should be responsible for our country, and every day we should remember our freedom fighters. Every moment their lives, their sacrifices, we should keep in our mind and be pride for our country. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, madam, for your wonderful speech. Now I request Risha of 10th class to kindly share her views on the Independence Day. Everyone please clap for Risha.
Good morning everyone, respected management, teachers, principal and all my dear friends. My name is Sirisha, I am from 10th class. Today is 15th August. We are here to celebrate 79th Independence Day. Today is very important day for us. On this day in 1947, our India got independence from British rule. Independence Day is a very proud day for Indians. We remember our freedom fighters. We host our national flag. We sing our national anthem. This day teachers tell us the value of freedom. I love my country very much. I wish you a very happy Independence Day. Thank you.
Thank you, Risha, for your wonderful speech. Now Arhan of first class is going to share his views with us. Arhan. Please clap for Arhan. Now I request Anu of 8th class to kindly come forward and present her beautiful speech. All of you please clap for Anu.
माननीय प्रधान अध्यापिका, शिक्षक और शिक्षिका, प्रबंध सदस्य और मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, आप सभी को मेरा नमस्कार। मेरा नाम अन्नू है और मैं 8वीं कक्षा में पढ़ती हूँ। आज हम 79वां स्वतंत्रता दिवस मना रहे हैं। सबसे पहले आप सभी को स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ। यह हर साल 15 अगस्त को मनाया जाता है। इस दिन 1947 में भारत आजाद हुआ था। यह दिन हमारे भारत के लिए बहुत खास है। इस दिन हम देशभक्तों को याद करते हैं, स्कूलों में झंडा फहराते हैं और राष्ट्रीय गान गाते हैं, भाषण देते हैं। इस दिन हमें देश से प्यार करना सीखना है। मुझे भारतीय होने पर गर्व है। इसी बात पर मैं एक शायरी सुनाना चाहूंगी। जाने कितने वीरों ने अपनी जान गंवाई थी, कि जाने कितने वीरों ने अपनी जान गंवाई थी, तब जाकर मेरे भारत ने सही स्वतंत्रता पाई थी। जय हिंद, जय भारत। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Anu. All of you please give a big round of applause for Anu. All of you, please clap.
आजा आजा दिन शामी आने के तले आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले
Encourage them by clapping. All the students.
दिन शामी आने के तले आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले सच्ची सच्ची मैं जाऊं तुम्हारी है नच नच कोयला पे रात बिताई है अखियों की नींद मैंने धूपों से उड़ाई गिले गिले बारे मैंने बिजली जलाई है
Clap everyone, clap. All of you, please raise your flag. All the students, please raise your flag. Thank you, students. All of you, please give a big round of applause for our dance students. Now I request Aarti Madam to come forward and share her views in front of us. Aarti Madam. All of you, please clap for Aarti Madam.
Thank you. सुप्रभात आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य, सभी शिक्षकगण और मेरे प्यारे छात्राओं छात्र, मैं आप सभी को 79वें स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। मैं आप सभी को 79वें स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ। इस दिन को आने के लिए हमारे वीरों ने ना जाने कितनी बलिदानें दी हैं, अपना सब कुछ न्यौछावर कर दिया है। हमें अपने आज़ादी का सम्मान करना चाहिए। थैंक यू, धन्यवाद।
Thank you, madam. All of you clap properly. Now we have a speech by Vasvi of 7th class. So please come forward, Vasvi. Sorry, Vasvi of 6th class.
Good morning everyone. My name is Vasavi. First of all, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Today is 15th August and we are celebrating the 79th Independence Day. On this day, India got freedom from the British rule. This day we remember the sacrifices for our great freedom fighters gave us independence. Great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh and many others. I am proud to be an Indian. I love my country very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Thank you. Wonderful speech. Now I request Karthik Sharma to come forward and share his views. Karthik Sharma.
सुप्रभात आदरणीय शिक्षकगण और साथियों, मेरा नाम है कार्तिक शर्मा। आज 15 अगस्त के इस पावन दिन हम आज़ादी की भावना को मनाने के लिए इकट्ठा हुए हैं। जब हम स्वतंत्रता की बात करते हैं
सुभाष चंद्र बोस, राजगुरु, सुखदेव, इन सभी का एक ही सपना था, एक आजाद भारत। उनके साहस, ईमानदारी और देशभक्ति की मिसाल हमें प्रेरित करती है कि हम भी अपने देश के लिए कुछ करें। आइए हम इन वीरों को श्रद्धांजलि दें और अपने देश के लिए कुछ करें। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Karthik, for your wonderful speech. Now I request Anupama Madam to please come forward and share her views in front of us. Anupama Madam. All the students, please encourage her with a big round of applause.
Good morning to one and all. Thanks. Good morning to management and the principal ma'am and our colleagues. Happy Independence Day to all of you. Thank you, ma'am. Say louder. ఈరోజు మన భారతదేశం 79వ స్వాతంత్ర దినోత్సవాన్ని జరుపుకుంటుంది. ఆగస్టు 15, 1947న ఎందరో బ్రిటిష్ వారి పాలన నుండి మనకి ఈరోజు స్వాతంత్రం అనేది వచ్చింది. సో ఈరోజు ఈ స్వాతంత్ర దినోత్సవ వేడుకల్లో నేను పాల్గొనడం నాకు చాలా గర్వంగా ఉంది. అలాగే ప్రతి సంవత్సరం మనం ఆగస్టు 15న స్వాతంత్ర దినోత్సవ జెండాని ఎగరవేసి ఎందరో మంది మహనీయులకు మనం నివాళులు అర్పిస్తాము. సో భగత్ సింగ్, చంద్రబోస్, సుఖ్దేవ్, రాజ్గురు వంటి వారు అందరూ వారి ప్రాణాలను సైతం పణంగా పెట్టి ఈ రోజు మనకి స్వాతంత్రాన్ని సాధించారు. సో మన భారతదేశ గౌరవానికి దోహదపడే సామర్థ్యాన్ని, ఔన్నత్యాన్ని, అలాగే చట్టాన్ని గౌరవించడం, ఒకరికొకరు సహాయం చేసుకోవడం, మన దేశ ప్రజలకు మనం కావాల్సినవి అంటే ఏంటంటే వాళ్ళ అవసరాలు ఏమైనా సరే మనం తీర్చడం, ఇవన్నీ మనం చూడాలన్నమాట. వాటికి కూడా మనం సహాయం చేయాలి. జై హింద్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Thank you, madam, for your inspirational speech. Now I request our dance members to come forward again and present a wonderful dance. All the students, please clap for them. All of you, please clap. thank you all of you for your fabulous dance. Robinson, all of you please clap for him.
Good morning to one and all. Management, principal ma'am, and my dear colleagues, and dear students. First of all, I am wishing you what is the importance of today? Cannot hear. So, we are celebrating Independence Day. I am not willing to give a lengthy speech. So, it's your duty and even my duty to develop our country. As if you are the students, you are the upcoming pillars of our country. So, make use of your time and make proud of our country. Wishing you all a happy Independence Day. Thank you, everyone.
Arfia. All of you please clap for Arfia.
గౌరవనీయులైన ప్రిన్సిపల్ గారికి మరియు నా తోటి ఉపాధ్యాయులకు విద్యార్థులకు నా హృదయపూర్వక నమస్కారములు. ముందుగా అందరికీ స్వాతంత్ర దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. మనం ఈరోజు ఇంత స్వేచ్ఛగా ఉన్నాము అంటే ఎందరో మహానుభావులు వాళ్ళు తమ యొక్క ప్రాణాలను అర్పించడం జరిగింది. లాల్ బహదూర్ శాస్త్రి, మహాత్మా గాంధీ, డాక్టర్ బిఆర్ అంబేద్కర్, ఝాన్సీ లక్ష్మీబాయి, దాదాబాయి నౌరోజీ వీళ్ళందరూ వాళ్ళ యొక్క ప్రాణాలను తెగించి దేశం కోసం పోరాటం చేయడం జరిగింది. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Thank you, madam, for your wonderful speech. I would like to call Roshni madam to share her views. Roshni madam.
Good morning, everyone. Respected principal ma'am, respected management team, my dear teachers, and all my dear students. First of all, I wish you a happy, very happy Independence Day. You know how many years completed? Anyone? Yes, 79th Independence Day. So, all of you, all of you do your best and make our country best country. Okay? Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, madam, for your fantastic speech. Now I request Kaushik of 4th class to come forward and share his views. Kaushik, all of you please clap for him. Please clap for Kaushik, everyone.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Kaushik. I am studying in grade 4. Respected principal ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. First, I wish a happy Independence Day. We gather to celebrate our India's Independence Day, a day that marks of our freedom from British rule. We remember the sacrifice of our freedom fighters and recommit to building a strong and prosperous nation. Let us cherish our independence and work together and for a better future. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Good morning, everyone. I wish you very happy Independence Day to all. భరతమాత ఓడి చల్లనైనది మనలాగన్న దేశం ఎంతో గొప్పనైనది మనలాగన్న దేశం ఎంతో గొప్పనైనది వీరులారన ధీరులాగన్నది నేలమ్మ ఉద్యమాల పురుటిగడ్డమ్మ స్వాతంత్ర పోరుల ఒరిగిన అమరుల ఆశల్ని దాచినవమ్మ ఉద్యమాలు తాని దాచినవమ్మ మన భరతమాత ఓడి చల్లనైనది మనలాగన్న దేశం ఎంతో గొప్పనైనది మనలాగన్న దేశం ఎంతో గొప్పనైనది తెల్లాడి తూటాలకెదురుగా వీరులు పోరాడినారు ఎందరో అమరులైపోయినారు స్వాతంత్ర పరుగుల ఒరిగిన అమరుల రూపాన్ని దాచినారు వందే మాతరమని పలికినారు బాబూజీ నేతాజీ గాంధీజీలందరూ దండని అరుతున్నారు మన గుండెల కలువన్నారు మన భరతమాత ఓడి చల్లనైనది మనలాగన్న దేశం ఎంతో గొప్పనైనది మనలాగన్న దేశం ఎంతో గొప్పనైనది థ్యాంక్ యూ
Thank you, madam, for your wonderful song. Everybody, please give a big round of applause. Along with another wonderful song. All of you clap for Abhinu sir.
Good morning, all of you. Once more, Happy Independence Day. There is no happy from your Independence Day. Happy Independence Day. Are you happy? I am also happy. Why do we here? To celebrate. But this is not only one day for me to celebrate our independence. You know, when 1757, I don't know, you know about that. 1757 onwards, until when we got the independence 1947, nearly 200 years we were under the brutal ruling from the Britain. You know that? 200 years. For me, like a coin, one side it's a painful day. Another side, I am very happy for this day. What is the pain? You know? Our country divided us two. Which are the countries? Which are the countries? Yes, Pakistan, we know, they were our brothers. Okay, so that is the story. 1757 to 1947, we had an brutal rule from the Britain.
after we got the independence, simply they didn't give to us. Gave us? No. We had a struggle. Not we. Who are they? Who are they? Which are the freedom fighters' names you know? Say one name. Mahatma Gandhi. One more. Subhash Chandra Bose. Again. Once more. Hey, I know these all mainstream leaders, those who suffered for our Independence Day, but I will say many of others, millions of others, they have struggled for us, you know. I will say some names, you know, about them. See, Khudiram Bose, have you heard about him? Khudiram Bose. Anybody? Any one of Khudiram Bose? Don't know. Baji Rao? Don't know. Bhagat Singh, you know. Okay, see, these are the people. Why should I say about these are the peoples to you, you know, means these are the peoples when died, you know, for Indian freedom. Just 12 years old, 18 years old, 19 years old, as our childhood timing. Understand? So, I respect these all leaders, those who struggled for our freedom, but Khudiram Bose, 18 years old, okay, he bombed against the Britishers 1931 and he was hanged there. His friend is also. And this Baji Rao, just 12 years boy, need to study in schools, enjoy the schooling days and play with the children. That is the period. What are you doing in this age now? We know. Correct or not? Yes, in 12 years old. Because he refused. Actually, he is from the ferry family, transporting the people from one riverside to another. Okay, that was his father's job. When father was absent, he was on duty. So that day, Britishers came and asked, okay, can you help us to go outside of this, opposite side of this river? He refused. You are Britishers. You are doing more overactions here. That's why I won't allow, I won't send you. He said, 12 years boy, do you have the courage? No. He said that, I won't send you. If you kill me, shoot me. Shoot me here now, itself. 12 years old boy, shot dead on spot. So, I respect some people like this, Khudiram Bose and Baji Rao, like that. And some other many female leaders here. You know, Sujata Kripalani, Sarojini Naidu. How many are there? Again, numbers of people are there. We don't know anything about them. Only our textbooks teach us about these are the people, those who are the mainstream leaders in our country. So, because of textbook, because of teachers, we only know about these are the leaders only in our study period. So, I respect each and every one, each and every leaders, and I feel proud as an Indian. Do you feel that proud? Nationalism is there? While sing our Janagana Mana, will get the goosebumps for you? Yes? Should get that. Then there is, we can say there is nationalism, there is patriotism. Okay now? Are you happy? I think this is a new knowledge for you. Okay, I'm very happy for you. Okay, once more, happy Independence Day, each and everyone. Thank you.
मुझे जान से प्यारा है तू
జన్మకారిణి భారతం కన్మ వేదిని భారతం
जन्मकारिणि भारतम् മഞ്ഞടി മാമല ചൂടിയ തങ്കക്കിരീടവും ഉടലി സസ്യശ്യാമള ചാതല കോമള കഞ്ചുകവും തലയിൽ മഞ്ഞടി മാമല ചൂടിയ തങ്കക്കിരീടവും ഉടലി സസ്യശ്യാമള ചാതല കോമള കഞ്ചുകവും നദികൾ കാട്ടിയ പാടുക പാടുക ജന്മഭൂമി കോമളമലർമേനി ജന്മകാരിണി ഭാരതം കന്മമുന്തിരി ഭാരതം ജന്മകാരിണി ഭാരതം അന്നമേദിനി ഭാരതം
Okay, so now we have reached to the conclusion part of our program. So we have reached to the conclusion point of our program. Now I request our chairman sir to please come forward and share his wonderful views with us and present the vote of thanks. Chairman sir.
Good morning, everyone. I wish you a very happy Independence Day. What I would like to share you is the only way to show our gratitude towards our freedom fighter struggles and our dear parents' efforts is only by doing the right things. Then I would like to thank our Vivek sir to host the complete program today, and also I would like to thank our teachers, our staff, our principal madam and management members for making the event successful. And I would like to specially thank the students who has given their dance performance and speeches, especially Binu sir for your wonderful songs and your speech, and Arun sir for recording the complete program. Each and everyone who has participated today in making the program successful. And also I would like to thank our parents who believes us in doing every event whatever we do. And also especially I would like to thank Vivek sir and Binu sir and principal madam who have stayed till 2 AM in the morning and making the decoration in the corridor area. Special thanks to them. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Thank you sir for your inspirational thoughts. So last but not the least, we are having a birthday today. So today is the birthday of Durga Pradeep of PP2 class. Okay, so let us all wish him for a bright future So keeping the feeling of patriotism alive in our heart, let us all disperse from here. Special persons in their life, and they should do very well for our country.
Thanks for everyone.
Thank you, everyone.
ये मेरा इंडिया, आई लव माई इंडिया, वतन मेरा इंडिया, सजन मेरा इंडिया, ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन, ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन, दुल्हन के माथे की बिंदिया, ये मेरा इंडिया, आई लव माई इंडिया, ये मेरा इंडिया, आई लव माई इंडिया, करम मेरा इंडिया, धर्म मेरा इंडिया, करम मेरा इंडिया, धर्म मेरा इंडिया, वतन मेरा इंडिया, सजन मेरा इंडिया।
तलवारों पे सरवार दिए, अंगारों में जिस्म जलाया है, तब जाके कहीं हमने सर पे ये केसरी रंग सजाया है।
है मेरी जमी अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए 100 दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा, चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे ना रहे।
हाँ, मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका ना पड़े कभी रंग तेरा, जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा, गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
सरसों से भरे खलियान मेरे, जहाँ झूम के भंगड़ा पा न सका, आबाद रहे वो गांव मेरा, जहाँ लौट के वापस जा न सका।
ओ वतना में मेरे वतना में तेरा मेरा प्यार निराला था, कुर्बान हुआ तेरी असमत पे मैं कितना नसीबों वाला था। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा,
गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। ओ हीर मेरी तू हंसती रहे, तेरी आंख घड़ी भर नम ना हो। मैं मरता था जिस मुखड़े पे, कभी उसका उजाला कम ना हो।
ओ माई मेरी क्या फिक्र तुझे, क्यों आंख से दरिया बहता है। तू कहती थी तेरा चांद हूँ मैं, और चांद हमेशा रहता है।
तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा, गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरी फसलों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।